converting YouTube videos into professional articles accepted by Google AdSense. More importantly, guys, these articles are indexed or the articles are archived on the same day and at a very awesome speed. In this video, I will present to you the best site where you can create a professional human-written article with a video link. The article will also be indexed in a very short time, as happened to me, guys. It was a surprise to me because I did not expect that this article would be indexed at all. As you guys see, this article said what I am talking about and what I did in the same way that we will explain in today's video. This is a video that I have on the channel on YouTube, and after I added the link to the video on the site that we will use today, guys, it seemed that he was taking screenshots from the video and from the explanation in the video, and under each screenshot he adds the text that is spoken while playing the screenshot that is available for you. Subtitles and main titles, as you can see. This means that the site creates a complete article from the video content that contains all the important points present within the video. It takes screenshots from them and starts adding the explanation for you under the screenshot. At the end, it adds a conclusion to the article for you. I mean, guys, the article contains the SEO standards required to make a profit from Google AdSense. Also, the article is archived very quickly, as we will see together now. Guys, I will take the link to this article. We will go to Google Search Console and add the link to the article, and we will press enter. As you can see, the article has been indexed. There is no problem with the indexing. If we go back, we take the keyword in the title or the main word targeted for the article and enter the search engine. I will add the keyword and press search. As you see that the article is at the top of the search results. There is no problem, and this is evidence that the site provides you with a professional article. And for an acceptable article in Google AdSense, we will click on the link to the article, guys, which is done in the same way that we will explain today. And of course, guys, there is a story that I made outside the site after I took the article from the site in order to improve the article and convert the writing in the article from being written by artificial intelligence to 100% human writing. This trick I will tell you at the end of the video, so I can make sure that you are with me, God willing, until the end the video, and do not waste a single second of this video. In the name of God, and prayers and peace be upon the messenger of God. How are you guys? I am your brother Ahmed Hamzi. This is Net Profit channel. It specializes in explanations of profit sites from the internet and affiliate marketing. For this reason, please, and it is not an order, if you are watching the channel for the first time, please support us by subscribing and activating the bell button on everyone so that you will receive everything new. If you like today's explanation, do not forget, support us with a like and share, so that the explanation reaches others and benefits. First of all, guys, I ask you to pray for our oppressed brothers and our Mujahideen brothers in Yemen and Palestine. O God, grant them victory and make their feet firm. O God, grant victory to Islam and the dearest Muslims in the beginning. Guys, I would like to introduce you to some of the services that we can provide to you through our website and through our channel. We provide SEO services. We raise the domain authority for you. For your website, use global and permanent backlinks to improve your site's ranking and your appearance in the first search results. We also provide you with services to verify the conditions of social media platforms such as YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. If you need any of the services we mentioned, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number or the WhatsApp link. You will find it in the description below the video or in the first comment. I am sorry that I took so long with you in the introduction, but as we begin the explanation, with God's blessings, the site that we will be using today, guys, is the videotoblog site. Of course, you will find the link to the site in the description below the video or in the first comment. After you click on the link, it will take you to the main page of the site in this way. Of course, the first thing you must register is an account in order to start using the site. Our advice, guys, is that if you do not use the paid services on the site, do not register with Gmail your account and register with a neglected email, as you will see with me now. But if you will use paid services on the site, you can register with your Gmail so that you can keep your account. Today, in this explanation, we will use free services, so we will have a specific limit or a specific credit within the site, and after that, you will have to register a second account again in order to start continuing on the site. I see that we use temporary emails. We will go to temp mail or whatever site you are using. You will receive any email. By the way, the site will not ask you to verify the email. This is the method that I always use. We will take the temporary email. We will go to the site after that, guys, and we will click on try for free. Here, it will tell you that you can register with Google. We said this will be in the case that we will use the site constantly, or will subscribe to paid services, but in our case we will click on Contento and Email. We will add the email here in this place and we will click on Contento. It will ask you for a username and a password. We will type any username, guys, and any password, even if it is 8 or 8 letters. Consecutive numbers, no problem, and we will click on Create Account. It is the easiest to register an account I have ever seen in my life. We do not have to memorize the password because we will dispense with this account later, as you guys see. Without verifying the email or anything, we entered directly into the account. We will click on the dashboard. We can click on Create Blog from here, or we can click on the plus sign that is here. This is what it tells you here. You can upload a video from the device or create a generic creation in bulk. This is in the case that you are subscribed to paid services or you are writing via voice and it will create the article for you. Of course, as we said, we will use a YouTube video. We will go to the YouTube channel and take, for example, the link to this video. After that, we will return to the site and add the link and we will wait. It will bring up the video as you mentioned. You see the video appearing in this place, but we will still not click on Create Blog Post only after we adjust the settings of our article manually. The first thing we click in this place here is that you can add custom instructions. This means that, for example, if you want to imitate the method of writing content found in a specific blog or in a specific article, you can here, for example, write to him, please write in the same way as this blog, and then add the link to it. It will take the same method in which this article was written, and your article will be created in the same way. After that, guys, it tells you, adding visual elements, we will tell him OK and we will leave it on embed video. After that, he will tell you to add links here. He will tell you to add links from the description, and we will know that completely so that he can take the links in the description and add them inside the article. If you want to add a link manually, you can add a link in this place. We will take the link to this article for example, and we will return to the site. I will add the link in this place, and as you see, he brings up a description from the same link. We will click on Add Link. After that, guys, there is a tool that takes action. We will open this button like this. Let's see together. Here this will be an interaction button inside the article. I mean, you can click on it and it will take you to another place. We can edit this text from here in the title of the button, and after that in a description, and after that in a text button or a word that remains on the button itself. You can of course edit it according to your needs. Here you add the link if we add this link, for example, and you can also modify the colors of this button. You can also add an image. This is a special image of the article that we added the link to in the button. We can take this image, for example, open. The image was added with the button. After that, we will go down and click on Save. If you want to modify it a second time, you click on this pen mark and start modifying it while still in the settings. Again, we will click on more options here. Guys, this will be the number of words inside the article. Of course, in order to create an article that is compatible with Google AdSense or compatible with SEO standards, we need this article to be more than 1000 words. Here the free plan gives you only 700 words. We will use the 700 words, but there is a solution or a trick that I will tell you about at the end of the video so that you can, after you take it from the site, this article will turn into more than 1000 words, and you will have completed the standards of the article. Of course, we are forced to choose 700 words. After that, the language you can leave in. Auto will take the language that is present in the video or the language of the speaker in the video, or you can choose the language that you want. After that, guys, in the writing style, the tone, for example, will make it professional. As for the points of view, I choose the first option. After that, in SEO here, you are asked to add a main phrase consisting of 6 words or less. I took part of the video title and added it. After that, it tells you to add attribution to the video. We can open this option, guys. Here you can add text that speaks to the meanings of the video, and you can also add a link. After that, it tells you the format of the article. You can choose the format that suits you, but I leave it on auto. And after that, it says you can use the chapters as a detailed plan for the article. We tell him OK. Here he tells you to use emojis. OK. And the last thing is, guys, this is the time range for the video. This means that this video is 11 minutes and 15 seconds long. You can reduce the part you want from the article or leave it as the entire video. I often leave the entire video as it is. Here you can spare the template you made now so that you do not need to do these steps all at once. Secondly, all you will do next time is to add only the video link, and all these settings will be with you inside this template. But of course we are using a free plan, so we will not need to spoil anything here. If you have a suggestion for any new setting that you want to suggest on the site, you can add your message from this place. Guys, we have made all the settings required of us to get an article. Be careful, Rafi. And now, guys, we just have to click on create blog post to see how our article will work. As you guys can see, the article has begun to be created at an amazing speed. Guys, as you can see, in less than 30 seconds, the article will be ready. Guys, the creation of the article has been completed, and this is the final form of the article. And as you guys see, even the button we created is there. Of course, this article I created in a second way. Guys, this is what I asked him so that we could make an article in a different way other than what we saw in the first article that you guys see. If you guys noticed here, there are screenshots that he took from the video itself and added the explanation under the screenshots. But here I asked him to include the video itself so that we can do an article in a second way. Of course, this is an option that you can choose. First, let us see how this article works. As you saw, this is in the video. After that, he began to enter into the explanation as well, adding main headings, symbols, subheadings, and paragraphs. Everything is complete. We just need to increase the number of words inside the article so that it exceeds 1000 words. And I will tell you right away. How will you do this? First, let me tell you, how will you create an article in the way you see this, or create the article in this way, which is the method of screenshots. Everything that you will do will come to the option for visual elements. We will open this option, guys, and after that we will click on this arrow here. It will tell you to embed the video, and this is what I chose in creating the article that we did together now. But we will choose the last option, which is thumbnails. For the video, this will take screenshots of the video for you and add an explanation for you, as we saw in the first article that we presented in the introduction. This is all the difference, guys, between the first method of creation and the method of creation for the second article that we did together. Of course, guys, as you can see, this article exceeds 000 words, and these writing paragraphs were small paragraphs. I used to take the paragraph and enter the GBT chat, asking him to double the words of this paragraph while preserving it. It also improves the content from writing with artificial intelligence to human writing, and this is the trick that I wanted to tell you about. In this way, you will be able to multiply the words and also improve the level of writing, and you will get a very fast archiving or indexing of your topics in a very short time. I swear to God, guys, at first I did not imagine that these articles would be archived in the first place, but by coincidence, after 3 days, I took the link to the article and I went to Google Search Console. I was surprised that the article was disgusting. Also, when I took the title of the article as you saw at the beginning of the video, I entered the Google search engine and found that the article was ranked first. At the end, I would like to inform you that we provide SEO and search engine optimization services. If you need any services or social media services, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number, which you will always find in the description below any video or in the first comment. What is special remains in the paid settings. Guys, if we click on setting from here, this is a very nice feature. You can make a connection to your hosting directly here and upload the article automatically from the site to your hosting. It is possible on wordpress.org, wordpress.com, and also YouTube. You can link the YouTube channels to the Medium Blogger website and Shopify Wix. All the sites that you may be using, you can link them automatically from this place. But of course it will be on the paid plans. After we finish creating the article, guys, we will come. After that, we will click on the 3 points that you see in order to start analyzing our content and improving it further. Here you have the content analyzer. If we click on it, the result is 86%. This is very excellent. After that, if we click on the metadata here, you can modify the title and description, as well as the tags or keywords. And after that, an important thing is the artificial intelligence content detector, but this does not support the free plan. Guys, here you can edit the main phrase as you guys see. After I changed the keyword or the main phrase, I was able to raise the result to 93% instead of 86. Guys, of course some of these features are not supported in the free plan. Guys, after you finished your modification, you can start clicking on export from here. You can copy the article in the form of HTML code. If we click on copy from here, the article has been copied. You can also upload the article automatically to WordPress.com or WordPress.org Medium Blogger. All of this is supported. As we said, we will copy the article in the form of HTML code. After that, you will go to your hosting, whether it is WordPress or any other hosting. I use Blogger. I will click on New Share, and after that I will choose Show the HTML, and I will add the code as you can see. After that, we will go and take the title. After that, I will go back and add the title. Guys, of course, your settings, the search description, and the keywords. After that, I will click on these three conditions so that if there are any errors in the HTML code, they will be corrected automatically. The last thing is to click on Publish. And now, guys, let's do a preview of the article. This, guys, is the final form of the article after he raised his foot, and after that, the main points and paragraphs, even the link that we added. Your Honor, the link to the second article is here. If we click on it, it will take us here to the second article, as well as the interaction button that we added. The picture, as you can see, is there, but there is one small thing here. We do not want it here. In the end, you will find next to the name of the article, there is the name of the site and the link to this site. Of course, we want to remove it, so we will return again to our HTML code. It will go down to the end of the code. You will find in the last part the name of the site, videotoblog, and you will find the link as you saw. So, we will take this part completely like this. This is the part about the site link and the site name, so we will delete it. After that, we will click on Publish. Come back to the article. We will refresh the page. Let us go to the end of the article. This is how we will see that the modification has actually been made. As you have seen, the link has been removed from here permanently. A professional article. Of course, as we said guys, we can increase the number of existing words by using the GBTO chat, an artificial intelligence platform that you use so that the article exceeds 1000 words. You can edit the writing with artificial intelligence and make it human writing. Thus, Irshad saw your article indexed in less than an hour. Guys, we have reached the end of today's explanation. I hope if you like the explanation, don't forget to support us with a like and share so that the explanation reaches others and benefits. Even if you are here for the first time, you are still watching the channel. Don't forget to support us by subscribing and activating the bell button on everyone to receive all new updates. Thank you, and with you was your brother Ahmed Hamzi from the Net Profit channel. Yeah.